So, hi and hello, friends, and this is a warm welcome from the Mumbai travel vlogger. And this is our pre monsoon ride. I hope you all like it. So, we are at Kalamboli, Panvel. Here we are at the petrol pump to fill petrol. Nikki is feeling hungry, and so are we. So, we are at this petrol pump. Where is power? So this is our first pre-monsoon ride for 2023. And we have almost reached Panvel. This is the bridge crossing over the railway tracks. And there seems to be a little rain out here. The road is a little wet, as you can see. Just waiting for the monsoons. Monsoons is just up to the mark, but not on its mark. Normally the rain starts from June, but this time it is taking a quite a long time. Clouds are getting darker and darker. So in some days we are going to witness this special season called the rainy season, just after the hot summer season. So here we are at Morbi Dam. You can see this amazing place with amazing beauty, and we have my friend and Pilin rider Akash with us. So we are having our own cooking stove today. So we have come out for a small daytime camping on our bike, Nikki. As we have come here for this pre-monsoon ride. Here I have ridden from Thane today morning. We have left at 8 o'clock and reached here about at 9:30. We just had coffee, made our own coffee at this site, enjoying this nature and having coffee in this nature. And now as we have bought a little chicken on the way shopping with some Maggi, coffee, sugar, a little and some milk. As you can see some milk over here. So we are having this camping day at this site at the Morbi Dam. So it's time to make Maggi, and here we have the Maggi powder. So we are having Maggi at the dam, Morbi Dam, having a nice time, having a great time, enjoying the Maggi. Come to have lunch. Our temporary kitchen is closed, and we are leaving from this Morbi Dam. Time is now 12:16, and leaving from. It's raining here in Lonavala, and just have a look at the sky. It's totally dark out here, and here we are at the Canary Island Junction, just 2.5 kilometers from. This is our way to Ambi Valley, which we have come from Lonavala. So, and this is the scenes of this place where rains have just started. So we are enjoying the rains. So you all too can enjoy the rains out here. guys, after seeing the sun, setting sun here in Lonavala, and this black clouds all over here. I hope you can see the black clouds. So I and my friend Akash on our ride to Lonavala, and as you have seen, we had a camping spree at Morbe Dam early in the morning, and then we plan to have an adventure ride to Lonavala. So this is the sunset point which we have seen today. Enjoyed the golden hour at Lonavala, and so now we are heading back home. So this was the adventure ride and the camping that we had at Morbe Dam and adventure ride to Lonavala. So it's time to head home in this dark clouds before it starts raining. As we had good rains when we in the evening when we reached over here after the Lions Point, Tigers Point. So before it starts raining again, I hope it doesn't rain and hope we don't get wet. So it's time to head home. So see you all in our next vlogs. And this was just a pre-monsoon vlog. So waiting for the monsoons to arrive, and we will be on definitely on a better roaming adventure. Okay, bye. Okay, guys. See you all. Then it's goodbye from the Mumbai travel vlogger.